Find screws.
The door panel is attached to the door with 2 screws. To access these screws, you must first remove the cover and the window regulator switch. The cover of the actuator is located above the cover of the handle. Therefore, the upper cover must be removed first. Pull the window switch upwards starting from the back and then remove and unplug. Now you can see the 2 screws of the door panel. Remove both screws.
Remove door panel.
Once the screws shown have been removed, the panel is only held to the door with clips. Starting from the bottom, gradually remove the panel from the door. Helpful tools are linked in the description. When all clips have been released, pull the trim upwards out of the window slot strip.
Rear doors.
There are no screws on the rear door panel that need to be removed beforehand. Simply remove and unplug the window switch. And remove the cover of the inside door handle. Now, as with the front door, loosen the clips and remove the panel.
Remove door handle.
Open the door and remove the cover at the level of the door handle. Unscrew the screw underneath. The screw itself remains in the bearing bracket. The counterpart/locking cylinder can then possibly be pulled out. Here it may be necessary to pull the screw back a little with a small hook in order to be able to remove the counterpart. When the counterpart is out, pull the door handle backwards out of the bearing bracket. For vehicles with keyless entry, you must of course unplug a cable from the inside of the door. When reinstalling, simply perform all steps shown in reverse order. Good luck with making it yourself.